We'll see the Hope's experiment now. This is an experiment to demonstrate anonymous expansion of water. Now this apparatus consists of a tall metallic cylinder, as you can see, and there are two openings in which we have two thermometers, T1 and T2. This is filled with water, and in between it is surrounded by a mixture of salt and ice. Right? So this is the apparatus. Initially, both the temperature in the thermometers are showing the same temperature. The temperature of thermometer T2 decreases and becomes 4 degrees centigrade after a certain time. And on the other hand, the temperature in the thermometer T1 decreases continuously and becomes 0 degrees centigrade. And finally, temperature of the upper thermometer becomes 0 degrees centigrade, and the lower thermometer, it is 4 degrees centigrade. Right. From this experiment, it was concluded, or the explanation given was like this, that in the beginning, water in the cylinder is at room temperature, suppose maybe 20 degrees centigrade or something, which is indicated by point P in the graph. Now, there's a graph also there, which I want you to see maybe in your book, or I'll draw it and you can. So here you can see that as the freezing mixture. Now, in the beginning, the water in the cylinder is at 20 degrees centigrade, which is indicated by the point P in the graph. Okay, 20 degrees centigrade indicated here. Then, as the freezing mixture cools the water in the middle part. This is the freezing mixture, this is cooling the water in the middle part. Now when the water is being cooled in the middle part, what happens? Its density is increasing and volume is decreasing, and so it is settling down. Okay. So as the freezing mixture cools the water in the middle part of the cylinder, the water decreases in volume and the density increases, and so I was saying that the volume, it decreases and, there is a decrease in the volume, the temperature of the water is going down, and increase in the density. And this water sinks in the bottom of the cylinder and the warm water rises up. Thus convection current in the cylinder starts, and the stage comes when the entire water below the middle portion of the cylinder, is at 4 degrees centigrade. This is shown in the graph by PQ. ये आपका जो ग्राफ दिखा रहा है PQ. The entire water below the cooling ring is at 4 degrees centigrade. Now, on further cooling below 4 degrees centigrade, water in the middle portion expands. Due to the anonymous expansion, so its density decreases and it rises up, and due to cooling temperature of the upper portion of the cylinder, it falls till 0 degrees centigrade. Now the temperature T1 is shown by OR in the graph, by QR in the graph. So now the temperature is decreasing and the temperature above this cooling ring finally comes to 0. But this portion remains at 4 degrees centigrade, and this has been explained by Hope's experiment.